And on today's topic, we celebrated 100 Days Smarter, celebrating the 100th day of school.
We're celebrating the 100 days of learning with my virtual students here at Ybarra Elementary.
We're halfway through the year, but it also means we're getting closer to the next grade level. And all we talk about is all the writing and the math and the reading that they do is practice so that they can succeed in first grade.
It also spans into several subject areas: math, reading, fine arts, social studies.
10 vertical lines up here and 10 vertical lines right here. That's how we did it. That is 100.
It's basically been math all day. They've been counting by fives, we've been counting by tens, we've been counting by ones. We have a hundreds chart, we've been stringing the numbers the way we do for math skills. Every day that they've come to school, every day up to the 100 day represents all of the learning that's been happening.
Great job to everybody. I'm so very proud of you all, and good job for all of the activities that took place today. Those are all the announcements for today. Have a great evening.